Wow, pay zero in income tax? Free accommodation? This is the expat lifestyle. Welcome to Riyadh, my home away from home, and join me as I travel the world. Midlife adventures you don't want to miss. Woohoo! So we've just arrived at our hotel, the Waldorf Astoria, Kuwait, voted the best luxury hotel in their country. It was a short hour flight time from Riyadh to Kuwait, and we'll be enjoying our stay here for the next few days. The beds were super comfy, and they even served us welcome cakes and chocolates for the birthday girl and boy. It was my husband and my daughter's birthday, and we are here to celebrate. The room also came with an assortment in the minibar for our helping, and it was really quite spacious. It fit comfortably, the three of us, three adults. And I think it could actually fit a small family comfortably too. This is the walk-in robe, very spacious. And here we are, every girl's dream bathroom. Everything was superb, the quality, even the finishing of the tiles, the marble, and the array of bath soaps and shampoos were quality items. And this is the rain shower. And yeah, it was really quite pretty. I enjoyed the bathroom and the beds, and definitely the ambience. So this concludes the tour of our hotel room, and now we're off for some quick dinner and rest. The next morning, it was shopping day! And the beauty of the Waldorf Astoria is that it's connected straight to the luxury mall. Here we are at the famous Avenues Mall. It was so stunning. I love this mall very much. The architecture was simply stunning, and I loved the ambience, the people, their service. And the best thing was that it was only a step outside of our hotel. Join me as I show you all the favorite places that I visited during my stay in Kuwait and walking the luxury lanes. This cafe definitely caught my eye. Look at the carpet. It was basically from ceiling to floor, and I just love the intricate designs and the culture and the aesthetic of this cafe. Best of all, it was literally tagged to Zara, though I don't shop Zara. Now at the souk, and I'm here especially for the ice cream. This is a Turkish ice cream, and I chose vanilla, chocolate, and pistachio. A great combination. I thoroughly enjoyed this ice cream. Wow, very big.
I give you more, no problem. I give you extra.
Wow. My daughter wants to come and eat. I will bring her tomorrow. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. Where's my husband? Voila, the best pick-me-up and comfort food. Casually strolling around, I saw many shops, local shops, abayas, tailors, many local cafes, as well as locally made skincare, beauty care, and products that were on sale. It was rather interesting. And then it was off to another part of the avenues. The avenues basically have the souk, and here are the more affordable luxury brands. And then there's an annex where there is the premium luxury brand and stores. So it was a huge mall. You can spend 2-3 days in this mall. And yeah, now it's time for a quick break. Coffee, some delicious food for energy for the retail therapy. And then we were off shopping again at the lanes. And for your information, there is no goods and services tax here in Kuwait. And all that walking and shopping, we are now off for an early Kuwaiti dinner. It was so delicious. The salad, the rice, it was exquisite. I enjoyed dinner very much. Now heading back to our room and for some rest and restoration. The next morning, we woke up early from a good night's slumber and headed straight to the Avenues Mall. This time we were in the luxury part of the annex, and yeah, it was quiet, peaceful, and very enjoyable. That morning, we actually head to Baka Coffee for some breakfast. Quiet mornings with my favorite person, good food, good coffee, good service is the best vibe. I ordered the eggs and mushroom breakfast set that came with side dishes of bread and hummus, naan and hummus, and black coffee. It was scrumptious. Baka was definitely luxury coffee that tasted so good. And here we are, the most expensive
silver
coffee pots.
nice. My head.
And now we're back to some more last-minute shopping before our departure tomorrow. And yeah, I got my eyes on some jewelry from Damas. And this is the lace
74.
pendant and necklaces. And I couldn't decide between the colored stones or the one that was just gold and diamonds. And then it was time to head back to the hotel for midday rest. And yeah, it was great spending the day here at the Avenues. And so off we went to the poolside. It was a rather cloudy day, but still equally as beautiful. The Waldorf Astoria and shopping in the lanes, I felt like a queen.